Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're gonna make real French hot chocolate. And this is actually a recipe that I learned during my time living in France as an exchange student when I was 13 years old. So let's get started. Alright, we start with 4 cups of milk. Over medium-low heat. Next we're gonna need 1.5 bar of dark chocolate. 70% would be best. So let's get this out. That should be fine. Now we chop it up. Add the chocolate into the milk. Give it a quick stir. We add a pinch of sugar, a pinch of salt, two tablespoons of pure cocoa powder, and whisk it together. Turn your stove to a low heat and stir to make sure that the milk don't burn. So the chocolate has completely melted. But I like to thicken up my hot chocolate just a little bit, so I let it simmer for about, I would say, 5 minutes. Stir it to make sure that the milk don't burn at the bottom. And then I see you in a moment to show you the next step. Alright, the hot chocolate is done and we can turn off the heat. But one last thing I like to add is vanilla bean paste. You can also use vanilla extract. And I would say about a teaspoon. And remove it from the heat. Alright, our hot chocolate is done and there's just one more thing I like to add. Marshmallows. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you would, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!